Peaches, it's me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing something we haven't done in a while, and that is decorating my room for the season. Last time I did this was Valentine's Day, but now we're going to be decorating my room for the spring. But before we can actually decorate, we have to go shop for all the decor. To be honest, I don't think I need that much stuff, but I'm gonna see what I can find today. So before we get started, please make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. First stop is the Dollar Tree. In Dollar Tree, this is the Easter section. I'm seeing lots of little containers. I got one of these for Valentine's Day and filled it with candy, so I'm thinking maybe I could do the same thing. Oh, look at this one. You know me in light purple. There's some big bowls here. I don't know what I would fill these with though. Oh, not those. A little bunny, maybe just to sit in the edge of the room. What's in here? Rocks? Something crunchy. ASMR.
You could put these in your bathroom.
In my bathroom? Bathroom decor. Well,
those are cute.
Aren't these eggs? Maybe I should.
Decor.
Where do I put these?
You hang them up.
Maybe I could put them together. Like
a pink and a yellow.
This pink, blue, and yellow. Can you stop with these fidgets?
They still have them.
We don't want to show fidgets ever since my fidgets got stolen, guys. Check out my last video to see what that's about. We need to stick to the script. This literally says spring fling decor. We just stumbled upon these pink butterflies. I don't know, I don't want it to look too kitty, but at the same time, could be a nice look. Okay, I'm in the Target decor section, but they're more expensive. I do see some things that I like though. We'll see if I even end up getting anything at all. I'm pretty sure I have enough decor at home to make something. Look at this, Happy Easter, 10 bucks. It's always 10 bucks with them. Come on now. Cute stuff though. Okay, this is a little better. You have little egg containers for 3 bucks. Cute. I could keep my jewelry in here maybe. Target has some nice stuff, but of course they have to be a little more pricey. We just stumbled upon these vine lights, guys. I've seen a lot of people with vine decor in their room, and at first I was like, I'm not sure if I want to get it because sometimes it just seems too basic when everyone has it. But it's springtime, and you know, vines, spring, they go together. Plus these have LED lights on them, so not a bad choice. It's $17 here. I think I saw a little bit cheaper on Amazon, but not that much cheaper, so might just end up getting it here. Here's the decor dollar section. What is this? Something to hold eggs? I like these plants over here. These little pastel vases with plants, 5 bucks, and booties. Mini candles for 3 bucks. Thank you, Super Mom. Back from Target, and honestly, it's a little bit of a letdown. I feel like I didn't find as many good things as you usually find when it's like Christmas or Valentine's Day. But then again, I guess people are more likely to decorate on those days or around those seasons. But it's okay because I've been decorating for a while, so I'm pretty sure I have some stuff at home that'll work for this decor. So let's head back home and I'll see you guys when I start decorating. Welcome to the next day where I'm actually gonna start decorating my room and do some spring cleaning. First, let me show you an overview of what it looks like right now. I still have some Valentine's Day and Christmas decor up. Let's start over here. I still have these Christmas garlands up because I felt like it also went with the Valentine's Day theme that I had going on for my room. Also, I have these little heart hang-ups from Valentine's Day as well. And some more stuff from Valentine's Day that I'm probably gonna keep because this could be spring as well in my opinion. And last but not least, my bed. My bed is already giving spring, to be honest. So I'm gonna keep a couple of things, but I think I'm gonna change the comforter and sheets and clean my mirror over here because we need the spring cleaning for real. I have so many marks on my mirror because this is where I do my makeup. Something else I really need to fix are my LED lights. I don't know how it got to this point, but it's literally falling off of the wall. Let's get to work. I'm going to replace my bedding with this light blue comforter set. I don't know, just to make it pop more. I feel like light blue is a spring color, but some people say it's not. Let's see. What are considered spring colors? Yellow, green, pink, blue, and purple. Oh, it does, okay. So I guess I'm doing the right thing. While I'm doing this, comment down below if you do spring cleaning and if you like decorating for different seasons. It can't just be me, right? It feels so good when you change your sheets to a fresh pair and your bed feels all nice and clean. Pillows are done. Look how nice the bed looks. I don't know what this is giving to you guys, but to me, it's giving spring and summer. The tulip really brings out the spring part too. Of course, I had to leave in this little backrest because I like sitting on it. It's actually comfy. Also, guys, look at my pastel photos up there. That's also giving spring, isn't it? Anyways, now that this section is done, we can finally move on to this one that needs a lot of maintenance. Let's get these off of here. I'm going to put some fresh tape on these lights, and these better stay up because I'm so tired of doing this. You guys don't even know how many times these fall apart. Look at all this tape that's barely even sticky anymore. If my neighbors can see into my room right now, I wonder what they think I'm doing. Because I have a camera, lights, and I'm up here taping stuff. They're like, what in the world? Everything is nice and taped up again. Now let's do a check to see if these are working. Yep, everything looks good. But now this wall is looking very empty and bland. So now I have to figure out how to put up these vine lights. My room is so doggone tired of lights by this point, but they make the room look nicer. I've been avoiding getting these for the longest because it seems like everyone has them, but I finally gave in. And what better video that... What am I trying to say? And what better video than this one to get these? Not sponsored, by the way, but any decor companies that want to sponsor me, my email is in the description box below. This brand is West and Arrow. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see what these actually look like. Ooh. Oh, this is something else. You need batteries for this? Wait, do I have any? Whether these light up or not, they're still gonna look good in the room though. I'll be back once this is all disentangled. Here's what the lights look like spread out. Honestly, I feel like it needs to have more leaves than this. It's a little too spread out for my liking, but we'll see what it looks like when I tape it to my wall. But at least it's a pretty good length. Hopefully it looks nice and aesthetic, right? I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this alone, but I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, it's all taped up, but I think I put it way too much to the right because my TV is right there and I want it to be in the middle of the TV. Also, should I spread it out more? Sadly, I have to take this down. Okay, here's what we've got going on. Looks pretty good being behind the TV, but then we have this whole blank space. So what should I do? Call it a day or try to spread it out more? We'll see. Alright, I fixed it. I think this is what we're gonna stick with for right now. It doesn't look perfect, but this is the best we're gonna get. It'll probably look better, especially when I get batteries in it and turn on the lights. But what I did was I spread them out more, and also I moved my TV more to the center so it doesn't look so disproportional. Alright, the main spring cleaning that I need to do in here is clean my mirrors. Using some good old Windex and this fat paper towel roll that I got from Costco. Wipe that down. After an hour of decorating, cleaning, and removing stuff, I am finally done, guys. First, I'm going to show you a regular tour and then a tour with the lights on. And when I say lights, I mean the LED lights. Let's get into this tour. First, let's start off with the bed. I didn't show you guys this before, but I added in these peachy orange pillows that I got for my fall room decor. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out after this one because I paid good money for those. So I need to get my money's worth from them, right? But yeah, there's the bed. Has all the spring colors that you need. Next to the bed, we kind of kept things the same. Simple, nothing really different. I removed all of the Christmas garlands, so now everything just looks natural like it's supposed to. And also cleaned my mirrors. Last but not least, we have the vine lights. Comment down below, are the vine lights a go or a no? And that's basically it, Peaches. I know I only made a few differences, but sometimes small things can make a big change. Alright everyone, I have my LED lights on. Time to turn these on. Thankfully, I found some batteries. Time for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, how cute. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed my little spring decor, please make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up. Subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. Also, let me know if your birthday is in April or in spring, because my birthday is this month and I'm pretty excited for it. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.